As IT leaders are focused on driving better business outcomes, IT operations has become a burden. Historically, IT departments manage an average of 32 different manufacturers' products in order for their businesses to operate. That's an overwhelming amount of different software, hardware, and services for any company. Without a singular integration, if one thing falls out of place, it can have a ripple effect of unintended consequences. This puts a lot of pressure on IT. Some are turning to managed service providers for some help, but a lack of transparency usually has businesses wondering, what exactly am I paying for? That's why we created ControlPoint Manage. With live customer dashboards, simple contracts, and consistent reporting, we eliminate communication barriers between organizations and truly become an extension of your team. If something sparks your interest, or if you have any questions, reach out anytime.